Hey, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Relax, enjoy it, and I hope it's helpful. Today I'll be trading in the OTC market, a market often considered difficult, but one that holds great opportunities if you know how. The first step, I will test it with a 2-minute trade expiry time to see how accurate the results are. Okay, to read market conditions, I will use special software that is specifically designed for the OTC market. I will choose the market first, then determine the signal duration for 2 minutes. I will set the profit percentage according to the type of currency selected so that the results are optimal. Click this button to instantly receive trading signals. If the signal that appears is neutral, we simply change the signal duration or choose another currency with more potential. Okay, now let me make the purchase first. Stay tuned because after this I'll explain how this software works and how to get it. So, friends, the software is a tool specifically designed to assist you in binary options trading. It works by analyzing market conditions and charts in real time using a candlestick psychology approach to interpret price movements. This software is specifically designed to address the unique characteristics of the OTC market so you can still find optimal trading opportunities. With the help of accurate analysis, you can improve your trading results and achieve consistent profits, even on weekends when the regular market is closed. And for those of you who want to try or download this software, please check out the video description. I've prepared all the complete information there.